So, funny story about my morning routine. A couple of years ago, I made a video talking about my morning routine and how it had really changed my life and helped me take control as a young mom. And although I had been doing that routine for a couple of years when I made that video, not long after I made it, my morning routine changed pretty dramatically. And I didn't make a video about it for quite a while. And finally, this last year, I decided, okay, I'm going to update the video. I'm going to make it reflect my current morning routine. And not long after I made that video, my morning routine changed pretty dramatically again. And although I've been kind of on the tail end of being accurate, I guess, for the other morning routines, I've tended to just make the video right before a change has happened for some reason. I didn't plan it that way. I do still want to show you guys the changes and show you how you can create a morning routine that fits with your lifestyle, fits with your family, and even fits with if you're more of a morning person or more of a night person. And also show you guys that it's okay if your morning routine has to change from time to time. It's pretty normal. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only person who's had to change their morning routine, as just life has changed throughout the years. So let's go ahead and get into it. I will first just give you a brief explanation of why my routine has changed again, in case that's interesting to you. And if it's not interesting, there will be a timestamp where I will start talking about the routine itself. But I mentioned in the video talking about my oldest daughter's morning routine now and her chores that she and I have had a very different morning routine in the past couple of months, and that is because of school. So we homeschool, and up until this point, it's been a very project-based learning. I've kind of done unit study style of learning, and they've had projects that we will then relate to the other subjects, and I loved doing it that way. It has been a lot of fun, especially in the younger years, and it's been fun to be able to just kind of tailor things to their interests. But we have started this past fall with really doing more structured individual subjects. We still do some project learning, but making sure that she's getting all of the subjects that she needs to be getting as she is getting a little bit older. It was going really well. She was really loving it. And then all of a sudden we kind of had a shift and it started to be a struggle. School was taking all day long and she was not enjoying the lack of free time. Believe me, I tried everything else that I could think of before I resorted to this because I'm not a morning person naturally. But ultimately, after a lot of trial and error, we just discovered that the best way to solve the problems both for her and for me that we were having with school was for her and I to get up a bit earlier than everyone else and get the school done before the house became distracting. So we started, she and I wake her up at between 6 and 6:15 in the morning, and we come downstairs and we get started with her schoolwork before anyone else is up. And typically we can get through what was, before we started doing it this way, the most challenging subjects before the house is up and just while everything is still quiet and it's easy for her to focus. So this is what's working for us right now in this situation, and I just wanted to share it with you all in case there are any other homeschool parents out there who may need to adjust a routine and would like to know how this might work. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my new morning routine for our homeschooling season that we are in right now. And I am going to be using this template, the Daily Routines for Moms template, and this is in my autopilot workbook. I will link that in the description down below if you would like your template to look like mine, or if you want to make one yourself or find something kind of similar to this online. There's lots of resources out there. Now, the first thing that I always put on the kids list is brush teeth and drink water. I don't necessarily think I would forget these things, but sometimes I like to cheat a little bit and put things I know I would do anyway so that I can just check it off. I'm a list checker. I like checking things off lists. After that, the first thing that I do when I come downstairs is I've been making us each some tea and filling up water glasses so that we both get started drinking some tea or some water, whatever we are feeling at that time. And that is definitely something we've both enjoyed as well. She really looks forward to that. And if I've forgotten it, she will remind me to make some tea for her. So that's another little, I don't know if it's a special thing or just something you can do to make school time a little bit more fun. So I'm gonna write down make tea and fill water glasses. After I get her started, I sit down next to her and I get started working. It works really well for us. I'm working on my thing, she's working on hers. We aren't chatting a lot unless she needs help with something, but I'm right next to her in case she needs anything. And it's honestly been nice for me to have that quiet time before the other two get up as well to get a couple things done and just get the day started. Then after I get a little bit of work done, this is actually a little change that is happening for us this coming year that has been different in previous years if you've been following me for a little bit. But I am going to start doing some different and slightly more interesting breakfasts. I'm not going to be doing the exact same thing every day because I'm already getting up and waking up and kind of getting my brain moving. And by the time the other kids are ready to get up, I'm more functional than I have been when I've been sleeping a little bit longer, and I can make some more interesting breakfasts. So you will see that if you watch my meal planning videos for the year. In the breakfast one, I will share the rotation that I'm going to do, but I think I'm just going to do a simple 1 week rotation for breakfasts. So I'm still keeping it pretty simple, not going too crazy, but I am going to be doing a little bit more than I have been. So I will put down here, make breakfast. I'll probably start that 15 minutes or so before the other kids wake up, and then it will be ready when they are ready for breakfast. So make breakfast. And then the next thing for me on my morning routine is to do some family worship time with the kids while they are eating. And then the next thing we do is we all clean up breakfast together. And if you see my kids' chore videos, you'll see I put that on their checklist as well to make sure that they're actually helping and getting in that habit instead of just running off when the meals are done. So clean up breakfast. Then at that point is where I will probably be doing, and I have been doing, my getting ready time, because that is when my oldest will be practicing some piano, which she can do pretty independently at this point. She's very independent with her music. And my younger daughter, my middle one, will be doing her chore. And again, she's pretty independent with her chores for the most part and has been doing them for a while, so it doesn't need me to be very involved in those things. So then I will just bring the little guy up with me, give him some toys to play with while I'm getting ready, and it kind of keeps him from interrupting the things that they are doing and gives them a little peace and quiet while they're trying to focus on those things as well. So I will write get ready. And then after I get ready, that will typically be my middle daughter practicing violin. So I will be practicing with her. I mean, I'm not practicing, but I'll know what I mean. I'm not practicing violin, although I would love to. That's one of my goals someday, is to learn violin myself, but I'm not actually practicing an instrument. I'm helping her make sure she's practicing what she needs to be. Practicing violin. And then after that will be fold clothes. And the folding clothes we are doing all together, just like the cleaning up breakfast, so that that gets done and we can kind of check it off and get it done for the day. And that is what I will be putting on my morning routine. Obviously in there I will need to make lunch, but there's typically a gap between folding clothes and making lunch, but all of those other things kind of happen in succession. So that is all I will be putting on my morning routine for now. You can see kind of how that looks. And I will also mention, if you've seen my kids' routine videos, you probably know this already, but if you're like me and you like checking things off, for my kids' routines, they're actually laminated. We laminated them so that we can write in Sharpie for the routines themselves, and then they can check them off with dry erase markers and just wipe those down every week. So that works really well for us, and you could do that if you're someone who likes to check things off your routine as well. You could laminate this and then check it off with a dry erase marker and then just wipe it down every week and start fresh. So if you would like some help completely streamlining your home, setting up your routines, decluttering, meal planning, all of that fun stuff, be sure to check out my membership, Total Home Transformation, because I have a 16-week step-by-step guide to completely streamlining your home. And I'm just so excited about the success that students are having within the program. So if streamlining is a goal of yours for 2025, definitely check out the link to Total Home Transformation in the description down below. That is all I had for this video, guys. I would love to hear in the comments down below what is on your morning routine checklist for 2025. And of course, like always, let me know if I left off anything that should have definitely been on my routine. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video.